Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Focusrite Scarlett is suddenly showing no hardware connected, not powering up, or giving you zero sound, don't panic. Because today I'm giving you the easiest, most effective fixes you can try right now. These are quick, beginner-friendly steps that solve the problem for most users, so stick with me till the end. Let's jump straight in. When the Scarlett stops working, the number one thing you should check first is the hardware, because most of the time, the issue is not the interface itself. Start with the USB-C cable. A damaged or low quality cable can completely prevent your Scarlett from being detected. Swap it out with another USB-C cable, preferably the one that came with your phone or another high quality cable. Then try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes a single faulty port causes the whole problem. Next, check your power. If you're using a microphone like the Shure SM7B, it relies heavily on phantom power. Make sure the Scarlett, the chilled 48 volt switch is turned on. If the 48 volt indicator light isn't glowing, your mic won't pick up anything, no matter what settings you change. Also, test a different power cord if your model uses external power. Once the hardware is confirmed, move into the software side. Search for Scarlett driver update and download the latest drivers directly from Focusrite. If your system already has the driver installed, uninstall it first, then reinstall a fresh version. A corrupted driver is one of the most common causes of the no hardware connected message. Here's another overlooked problem: antivirus software. Some antiviruses, like Mega, can block Scarlett drivers from installing properly. If you've recently installed a new antivirus or updated one, temporarily remove it, then reinstall your Scarlett driver. After everything is working, you can reinstall your antivirus if you want. And remember, there's no strict order here. You can alternate between hardware and software fixes until the issue is solved. Just follow this simple checklist. Swap the USB-C cable. Try another power cord. Test another USB port. Confirm the 48 volt power is on. Uninstall the Scarlett driver. Remove any antivirus blocking it. Reinstall the latest driver. And that's it. These simple steps fix the Scarlett for most people, and hopefully they'll get your setup back to life too. If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what issue you were facing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.